Hey there everyone! I have for you another beautiful crepe paper flower in this session. You will only need a thin strip of crepe paper like this. For this flower, let's say bye to the messy glue stick and the scissors. Start by bending the corner of the paper strip and then fold it again in the same direction. Hold one end of the fold using one fingertip and then twist the other end. Firmly press the fold. For this flower, you just have to twist and fold and then keep doing that. Now we are moving to the last step in this design. Use a green floral tape to wrap around the bottom end of the wire. Keep watching What's Your Hobby?